We got rice, a measuring cup, a container to hold it in, and then this is what I'm going to put it in later once it's actually done fermenting. We're going to wait for about 24 hours. So nice and simple, just a cup of rice. Take that rice, pour it into my container. Now I'm going to mix this with 2 cups of water, but right now I'm just going to put some water in it, kind of mush it around, because the rice does need to be washed. You should wash it before you cook it. You should wash it before you put it in your hair as well. I literally mean what I said. Take it and just mush it around. You'll start to see the water get a little cloudy, some dirt particles will come off. And then we're just going to strain that water out. So now my water is cleaned off, it's sticky. My rice, I mean. I'm going to take 2 cups of water. And rice water does tend to have a smell, so some people go ahead and add something like orange peels, different types of essential oils you can add to it, whatever you want to do with it. We're going to keep it nice and simple for this one. So this is going to be basic rice water. Maybe we'll do like a pimped up one, but that's it. Cover 24 hours. Right now it's 11:28, so tomorrow at noon we'll come get it, strain the rice out, and I'll show you how it looks. So we're back. As you can see, it's 12:30. At the exact time that it was 24 hours, I typically honestly will just throw my rice water into the refrigerator. Now, this does stop the fermentation process, but for me, I feel like it helps it not to smell. I don't know if that's actual science or that's just me making it up. The water is cloudy. We're just gonna pour it from there into the spray bottle, and then stay tuned for another video to see how I actually use rice water in my hair on an everyday basis. In 2019, I actually had a spot of baldness due to a sew-in and the tension from it. I usually leave my hair in an afro, so my hair didn't necessarily respond well. But now my hair is fully grown back, and rice water was a big factor in that. I used it the whole month, and I think in a matter of a month it was back. Rice water has been known as a natural remedy to restore natural texture and for hair growth. Okay, now the moment of truth, the rice water is going in. Now for my ladies or gents that are using this who need it immediately, there's also a boiling method, and I'll just link a video below, but I also could do one too if y'all need it. So that is it. Simple, easy rice water. Be sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button to see the next video, and I'll show you how I actually use it on an everyday basis in my hair. No, this is the finished product. So it's really just like cloudy water. If you look closely, I don't know if y'all can really see that on camera, and it's kind of full, but if you look closely, it's like little particles in there. But yeah. Talk to me, talk to me, talk. I wanna hear what you gotta say. Sit down and I know right here it doesn't look as cloudy, but literally as I let it sit, it got very cloudy, and it's that traditional rice water look you're going for. Thank you for watching. As always, Dollas Menu.